In this series of capturing your event yourself, we have covered many aspects like what shots to not miss, how to make your event look premium. Now we are moving to the part which many people miss out. It's taking candid moment photographs and videographs. When you are doing a event photography, there are people, senior management from your company, or you are a photographer going to that event. It's not a good idea to interrupt people while they are talking and networking among themselves. But we have to do our work. So use wide choice in lens. If you can go closer, go close and take photographs and videographs of that moment. Stay there. When people are talking, you will get better pictures, like they moving hand in certain way. You will have to be patient because in some pictures, someone eyes might be closed, someone hands might be off, someone might have rotated the head a bit. If you have a good frame there, you will get good pictures. The thing which helps in these cases are the long lenses, higher focal length lenses, or zooming ability in our phone. So when people are talking, if we go closer, they might get conscious. Many people dislike camera around them when they are doing something natural, like talking in this case. So to do your work, make sure to use longer focal lengths and capture those moments too, because these are too important to be missed. The first point again repeats, wait for expression. In earlier point, I mentioned to not get impatient while your frame is ready and people are not in certain pose. But if to reinforce this, when your frame is locked, you have to wait for people to give their natural expression, like people do. They talk sometimes, they laugh, they guess, they become curious. So these pictures are called expression shots, and you have to take those pictures too. Keep moving in the area. If there is a lunch round, tea round, coffee round going on, keep moving. Don't get focused on one place only. You have taken picture of these four people, move on to other area. Use long zoom lenses. From here to that part of room, something is happening. Make sure your eyes are open. Even if camera is locked, make sure to keep looking around the room. Something happens anywhere, you are ready. Just move the camera and take the pictures. So this was about taking candids in your event. And talking of candids, if you have taken and talking of these event videography, if you have shot your event yourself anywhere around the world and want us to edit it from Bangalore, I have a service which is called Video Editor on Demand for Events. Make sure to check the description and contact us. You will give us the footages and we will try to make it a good final polished video. And if you are a host, and if you are having your event in Bengaluru and want me to shoot, record, edit everything, the details are in description. You can hire me for that too. Thank you.